Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to acquire magic rock candy in Stardew Valley. This incredibly rare and powerful item is highly sought after for its amazing benefits. While you cannot craft it yourself, there are several key ways to get your hands on this magical treat. We'll go over the most effective strategies to ensure you can enjoy its fantastic effects in your game. Let's dive into how you can add this special candy to your inventory. One of the most consistent ways to get magic rock candy is by trading with the desert trader. You can find this merchant in the Calico Desert. Every Thursday, the desert trader will offer one magic rock candy in exchange for 3 prismatic shards. These shards are quite rare, often found in the deeper levels of the mines or within the challenging skull cavern. So, gather those precious shards and head to the desert. Beyond trading, you can also earn magic rock candy through dedicated effort. Donating 90 unique items to the museum in Pelican Town will reward you with one piece of this special candy from Gunther. Additionally, if you're feeling lucky, haunted skulls found in the mines and quarry mines have a tiny chance, about 0.13%, to drop magic rock candy when defeated. It's a rare drop, but every monster defeated counts. So why go through all this effort for magic rock candy? Well, its benefits are truly exceptional. When consumed, it provides 5 powerful stat boosts for 8 minutes and 24 seconds. You'll gain +2 mining, +5 luck, +1 speed, +5 defense, and +5 attack. It also restores a massive 500 energy and 225 health. This makes it perfect for tackling tough areas like the Skull Cavern or any intense combat situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.